Assalamu alaikum grade 9 students. In today's class we will learn why we study chemistry, its reasons, and then we will also learn the role of chemistry in our society. Dear students, as we know, chemistry is an important subject and we study this subject in grade 9. The first and the most important reason to study this subject is definitely to get good grade and good marks in grade 9. But students, jokes apart, the more important reasons to study chemistry is number first, it helps us to explain our material world. It helps us in explaining the phenomena, all the processes taking place around us. The first is why sky is blue. How we will get to know this? This thing will be explained by chemistry. Why water is present in liquid state at room temperature and how water changes into solid state and how water changes into gaseous state. Definitely these all processes will be explained by chemistry, and this is helping us to understand our world more properly and more easily. Now students, secondly, chemistry helps us to learn how a milk changes into curd. Chemistry helps us to understand why all the vehicles exude smoke. Chemistry helps us to understand why detergents and soaps are important cleaning agents that helps us to clean all the spots present on our clothes, that helps us to cleaning our houses, in cleaning many household things. Then secondly, another important thing that chemistry helps us to understand is why we need oxygen to breathe, why not any other gas, and why plants need carbon dioxide gas to prepare their food, and why plants breathe out oxygen. This is also an important question that chemistry is answering us, and chemistry is helping us to learn this natural process. Then burning of fire is also explained by chemistry. When fire burns, it's called combustion reactions, which gases are released, which gas is very important to lit fire. These all are important things that are answered by chemistry. So definitely chemistry helps us to understand our material world. Second reason, it has important practical applications in society. Yes, chemistry plays very important role in our society. Chemistry helps us to fight many diseases by the development of medicines. Chemistry helps us to use every household thing that we are using nowadays, from chemicals to soaps to detergents to shampoo. Everything is a gift of chemistry. Let's learn now the more important uses of chemistry. Actually, cooking of food is also a chemical change, and this is also a chemical process that is explained by chemistry. It's also one of the application of chemistry. Now let's learn the chlorine compounds and their role in our society. The first basic compound which is prepared by using chlorine, which is an element, that is polyvinyl chloride. In abbreviated form, it is known as PVC, which is used to prepare plastic pipes. Then chlorine is also used to prepare bleaching agents. Chlorine is also used to prepare disinfectants. Students, now bleaching agents are used in detergents to fade out the spots. Secondly, disinfectants. What are disinfectants? Disinfectants are like sanitizers we are using nowadays, and also disinfectants are used to disinfect your house, your hands, your body, your clothes from infectious microorganisms. Then solvents are also prepared by using chlorine. Pesticides that we spray in our crops to protect our crops, that is also gift of chlorine and gift of chemistry. And refrigerants. What are refrigerants? Refrigerants are cooling agents that we put in a refrigerators or air condition that helps us to keep the atmosphere cool. Then is flame retardants. What are flame retardants? Flame retardants are chemical sprays which are sprayed on fire in order to extinguish fire. मीन्स अगर कहीं पे भी आग लग जाती है, उस आग को बुझाने के लिए स्प्रेज हमें केमिस्ट्री की वजह से बदौलत मुहैया हैं, जिनसे आप फ़ौरन उस आग को बुझा सकते हैं. Then chemistry's important role is the development of drugs. जिनकी वजह से हम बहुत सारी बीमारियों से बच सकते हैं और हमारी ज़िंदगी एक बेटर वे में गुजार सकते हैं। उसके अलावा क्लोरीन की दरियाफ्त की वजह से ही पूरी दुनिया में से बहुत सारी ऐसी बीमारियां जो गंदे पानी की वजह से होती थीं वो ख़त्म हुई, जिनमें है कॉलरा, टाइफाइड फीवर एंड डायसेंट्री। अब क्लोरीन कैसे पानी से होने वाली बीमारियों से हमें बचाती है? इस तरह से कि जितने भी फ़िल्टर प्लांट्स में जो हम फ़िल्टर्ड पानी इस्तेमाल करते हैं उसके अंदर क्लोरीन गैस इस्तेमाल की जाती है। क्लोरीन का काम होता है पानी के अंदर मौजूद जरासीमों को ख़त्म करना। सो क्लोरीन इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट element which has many practical applications in our society. After that, you can see here in this picture plastic pipes. These are the plastic pipes which are commonly known as PVC and they are prepared by chlorine. Flame retardants ऐसे sprays हैं जिनसे आप आग को बुझा सकते हैं। Chemistry plays important role in our daily life. How it plays? The soaps, shampoo, cosmetics, medicine, salt, water and chemicals stored in fruits we use. These are all daily routine things that we use in our life and these are all gifts of chemistry. The fertilizers we use in crops in order to increase our yield. To increase the yield of crops we spray fertilizers. Fertilizers are of two types, natural fertilizers and synthetic fertilizers. So both types we use. Synthetic fertilizers are made up of chemicals which are prepared in factories and industries. Then after that, fluoride compounds play a very important role in our society. They fight tooth decay. If we use fluoride toothpastes, they protect our teeth from decay. Now students, third most important reason to study chemistry is that it figures prominently in other fields such as biology. For example, if we are suffering from any disease, like any digestive system disease we are suffering from, then we are using particular medicines to cure that disease. अब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि इस बीमारी, अगर हमें स्टमक की तकलीफ हो चुकी है तो उसके लिए हम कौन सी मेडिसिन खाएं? मेडिसिन आर व्हाट? मेडिसिन आर मेड अप ऑफ केमिकल्स। तो ये हमें बियोलॉजी की मदद से पता चलेगा कि आपके स्टमक में अगर आपको तकलीफ हो रही है, अगर आपको एसिडिटी हो गई है, तो आपके स्टमक के अंदर एसिड की प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हो चुकी है। अब आपको एक ऐसी मेडिसिन खाने की ज़रूरत है जो कि आपके स्टमक में जाए और एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करे और आपके स्टमक में मौजूद एसिडिटी ख़त्म हो। अब एक केमिस्ट और एक बियोलॉजिस्ट दोनों मिलकर कोलैबोरेशन के साथ काम करेंगे और फिर मेडिसिन को प्रिपेयर करेंगे। दिस इज द कॉमन एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट हाउ केमिस्ट्री इज interacting, how chemistry is also acting as a link between other subjects such as biology. The most common example of this is production of medicines which we prepare for the cure, for the better lives. So dear students, this is all about our topic today, which is why we study chemistry. We have learned three main reasons. And yes, important reason is that we study chemistry also to get good marks in grade 9 and 9th and metric and first year and inter. Definitely, but the three most important reasons that we have learnt are, first one was chemistry helps us to explain our material world. Number second was chemistry has important practical applications in our society. And the third reason was that it also prominently figures out with other subjects such as biology. These three reasons we have learnt, and also we have learnt the important role chemistry plays in our society. I hope you learnt well. In next class, inshallah, we will learn branches of chemistry. Stay blessed.